From NBC News, this is Today with Matt Lauer and Meredith Vieira. Live from Studio 1A in Rockefeller Plaza.
And, you know, these troubled times can do more than shrivel your bank account. They can take a physical toll on you, just the stress. And we've got a doctor who says in a week's time, you can prove how you look by using the power of your mind. Okay, right. Maybe for me, it would take a week and a half. But
stop that, because you look fantastic. No, but I think relaxing, I'm sure, easing, we'll find out more about that.
Do you like the way you look as you get older? Well, stress, we've been talking about that all morning. It may be taking a toll on your face. But one doctor says a little mind over matter may help you look much younger. Dr. Amy Wexler, a dermatologist and psychiatrist, has some practical advice in her new book, The Mind-Beauty Connection, 9 Days to Reverse Stress, Aging, and Reveal More Youthful, Beautiful Skin. Karen Jolis and Melinda Matlin participated in Dr. Wexler's 9-day program. Good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
Nice to see you. You two look great, so something's working for sure. Dr. Wexler, you get a lot of people who come to see you, and they want to feel healthier and look healthier, their skin, and younger without going under the knife, and you say you can accomplish that.
Well, I've always been interested in the mind-body connection. As a dermatologist, I focus now on the mind-beauty connection because our emotions show up on our skin.
Well, what is the connection then between emotions and the physical effects of them?
There's sort of a complex seesaw between our hormones and our feelings. And I see a lot in my practice as something I've termed stress aging, which can add 6 years to our lives. The good news is that it's reversible and without surgery.
And how quickly can it add those years to your life, when you say? Because now people are suddenly under a lot of stress who might not have been otherwise.
It can add those years in a matter of weeks.
In a matter of weeks? Oh my gosh.
But you can also take them off that quickly, too.
Well, you have this 9-day plan, so let me read through this is the overall look at the plan, all right? Simplify, relax, go green.
By go green, this is my favorite. It really means getting out in nature for just a few minutes a day. It sort of stops that cortisol, which is a stress hormone, from pumping, and cortisol breaks down collagen and causes wrinkles.
Well, I want to go back then to day one. When you say simplify your lifestyle, or?
Simplify your skincare regimen and also focus on your sleep habits.
Okay. And then relax, go green, you just explained. Eat clean, get rid of the garbage.
Get rid of the garbage.
All right. Make a move.
Exercise.
Exercise. Foster friendships.
Very important for women especially to reconnect with their friends.
And pamper yourself, self-explanatory. Sleep in beauty.
That's one of the weekend days where you actually can sleep in or take a nap, because sleep is so important to let the wrinkles heal.
And then reflection. Is that meditation, or reflect on what you did the past 9 days?
It's both. It's also reflect and look at the mirror. There's a test that is in the book that you take before the 9 days, the skin age test, which you can take in the book or in a more tailored version on realage.com. And you take it at the end of the 9 days as well.
Okay, let me talk now to Karen and Melinda. Karen, you did the 9 days. We have the before and after. Obviously, 9 days is just a start-off point, but you definitely feel better about the way you look and you feel, and you've been keeping a journal. Can you read us a little bit from the journal?
Well, I have a problem sleeping. We have a profile of ourselves, and Amy was kind enough to say you can be 2 profiles. So I read through the 5 or 4, and I found I was 2. I wasn't sleeping enough, and I was an A personality, meaning I said yes to everything. Oh, sure, you want me to do it? I'm so happy.
Which is like a lot of women.
Yeah, and so you are stressed out, and what I learned from this book is to take a moment, wake up and smell the coffee, breathe.
But didn't you already know that? Did you need the book to tell you that?
I did. Well, no, what I needed the book to do was say it's okay not to, don't worry if you have 5 hours of sleep a night. That some people can get away with that, but what's important is take time out of your day to just reflect, meditate, breathe.
And Melinda, what did you learn from the book?
I wanted to take part in this program to see if I can overcome stress and deal with stress, everyday stress. And I applied the deep breathing exercises, and that really helped. And I was able to relax and just take a moment to myself, and then just deal with whatever is coming my way.
Yeah, a lot of it is actually getting oxygen in. You talk about this, Dr. Wexler. So you also say it's better to start this program on a Saturday, right, when you don't have work pressures.
Exactly. It's 9 days because it's trying to mimic a week's vacation. We all know we look better when we come home from our vacation, so 2 weekends bookending a week.
And it doesn't have to be 9 days if you need to spread it out over 9 months, whatever it is that works for you, but just to follow the steps, and you build one after another.
Exactly. It's a whole life renewal plan, so however long it takes is fine.
All right, Dr. Wexler, thank you. And as I said to Karen and Melinda, it's a nice start. You both look good, and you look relaxed, which is something in this economy right now.
Thank you.
The book is The Mind-Beauty Connection, and up next, actor Russell Crowe.